Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you all are doing as fine as I am. आज मैं लेट उठी हूँ 10:15 right now. ये टाइम पे यूजुअली मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट खत्म हो चुका रहता है. I am done with everything. I start prepping for my lunch and everything. Let's just quickly get into it. What are we going to do today? Firstly, same old thing. I will be prepping my meal. Lunch के लिए मैं क्या खाती हूँ? What do I usually eat in a day? How do I complete my protein intake? What am I going to do in the gym? Regarding gym, even I am clueless right now. I really want to do CrossFit, but also at the same time I have to train upper body today. I haven't been able to train upper body last week, so mostly I will be training upper body, but मन से तो मुझे CrossFit ही करना है. Let's just see what I can do and what I cannot. Also, what are your favorite days like? I am really curious for people who really like doing upper body. I'm not a big fan of doing upper body. I don't know why. मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगता doing upper body. As I said in my first vlog that for me, if something gets monotonous, इतना मतलब same चीज़ बार बार मुझे करनी हो तो I get bored out of it. I don't know why I am not into upper body days at all. Second, I love doing CrossFits. I don't know how many videos I'm just going to talk about CrossFits and CrossFit. I started developing the love-hate relationship for CrossFit. I think those are pretty much, good workouts. They make you feel good. You have that mental clarity while doing the workouts as well. I love doing CrossFits. Let's see what we can do today. Hello. This is very difficult than I thought. Yeah. Okay. Let's just quickly make my breakfast. As you all know that I am running late. Breakfast late होने से काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों पे impact होता है. Usually try to have breakfast before 9 or before 10 at least, max to max. On an empty stomach I have lukewarm water with a lemon या फिर जीरा water या फिर some kind of water to boost my metabolism. But आज मैं late उठी हूँ तो I'll just skip that. I'll just do my breakfast real quick because उसके बाद मुझे lunch का prep भी करना है and then I have to go to gym also. तो breakfast late हो जाएगा तो everything will be delayed by certain time and then बहुत ज़्यादा खिचमिच हो जाती है. So everything I eat, I use a weighing machine as it helps me to track my macros and calories. Just quickly turn it into the gram mode. Add 50 grams of oats, adding 250 ml of milk. It's ready. 5 minute में barely बन जाता है and it's too good. It's tasty, it's healthy and you can have it every day. So as my morning ritual, I drink this ABC juice between 11 to 12 p.m. It helps me to detoxify my gut and skin health. I drink it on regular basis. There is like an ample of benefits of drinking ABC juice. Not only this, I keep switching between different kinds of juice.
For lunch I had some bread, multigrain bread along with 4 egg burji.
Hello. And as usual, I am running late. मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना कि I should be the brand ambassador of being late. मुझे कहीं भी जाना हो, I'm literally late every single where. Not something that I'm proud of, but listen to me. I had to do things and I don't know how I end up always getting late. Like मुझे समझ ही नहीं आता कि by the end of the day how do I get late. Anyways, today what we are going to do is we are going to do CrossFit. For CrossFit, I need my outfit to be quite comfortable. So I'm just going to quickly wear this oversized t-shirt along with shorts and I'll just get ready. So yeah, I got ready. Let's quickly do my hair. As I don't have time, mostly सबसे ज़्यादा time hair करने में ही जाता है. I have long hair. I prefer to tie it up and look at this. Anyways, it's raining outside. And it's raining quite heavily. But can it stop me from going to the gym? Definitely not. I need to do a couple of things after workout also. So I'm gonna try and finish it. See? I'm gonna try and finish it before we leave. Most important thing, sunscreen. बिना सनस्क्रीन के तो बाहर जाना is like committing a crime only these days. Okay then, I will see you in the gym. कल ड्राइवर मेरे को पिक करने आता है, जिम छोड़ने भी आता है. अच्छे से चलाओ थोड़ा. The CrossFit area usually here people train for CrossFit, and I know you can't see anything because there are sets written on that. Anyways, let's just get into it. Hello guys, so I reached the gym and I will be training CrossFit today. I don't know what are they up to, but what are you guys training? काय पीते हैं?
Oh yeah!
हे काढ यार तू माझा पूर्ण ASMR होतो त्याच्यामध्ये. ASMR होईल पूर्ण.
Rolling down the boulevard, sun hitting my shades. Riding low and slow, this vibe never fades. Palm trees dancing in the hazy sunlight glow. West Coast rhythm, let the good times flow. Cruising, grooving, feel that funky breeze. Talk boxing and setting spirits at ease. From the hills to the shore, ain't no second guessing. In these Cali streets, we count every blessing.
I'm out of breath.
Double Dutch beats bumping, trunk ride smooth. Neighbors nodding heads, they catching the groove. That's right. Chrome rims spinning, reflections of dreams.
This works best for hamstring and your glutes.
Hey, let me see your hands up high. Hands up. We vibing now till the moon hits the sky. Ooh, yeah. Talk box wailing like a voice from the stars. This coast culture lives in our hearts. No scars.
I'm always out of breath. I don't know what is wrong with me. But yeah, that was good. To say no to doing jump boxes because I was scared of jumping on the box. Now that I have been comfortable with this, I try to do single legs also.
Every blessing.
I used to be scared of jumping on the box till last week. I used to literally say no to boxes.
Backbeat, golden hour grin, city lights start to shine. West Coast flavor, every moment divine. You know. Plotting life story.
So I'm done with the workout. What I did today was CrossFit, but apparently my endurance is still not that up to the mark. We are gonna try and improve my endurance in the coming days. So what we are gonna do is we are gonna work on the endurance for the coming month. And the reason I started my CrossFit was develop more endurance and stamina throughout the workout. As you could see in the vlog, I tend to get fatigued very easily, and that's something that I have not been working on for past 1.5 years. So this is the time that I really want to improve on those things and do better. See you in the next vlog.
This is what we look post workout.